Vibrations Make Sound by Jennifer Boothroyd. Young readers will learn how vibrations make sound that we can hear in this accessible, photo-filled book. What is sound? Sound is everywhere. Sound is what we hear. You can't see sound. Sound moves through the air. Some sounds are short. Some sounds last longer. Sounds can be quiet. Sounds can be loud. What makes sound? Sound is made when something vibrates. Rubbing things together makes vibrations. Vibrations are types of movement. Different vibrations make different sounds. You can hear a bat hitting a ball. A hit makes vibrations. Air makes vibrations. You can hear air blowing through a whistle. Can you make sound? Clap your hands. Clap your hands harder to make a louder sound. Hands can vibrate against each other. Your throat vibrates when you speak. Say a few words. You can make quiet sounds when you rub your shoes on the floor. Knock on a door. Tap your pencil on your desk. What other sounds can you make? Glossary. Hear. To catch sound with your ears. Sound. Vibrations that move through the air. Vibrates. Moves quickly back and forth. Vibrations. Small, vast movements back and forth.